Hello, my name is Nico Decker.
I'm Jack Walsh.
And I'm Andrew Ward, and for our senior project, we'll be doing a facilities planning for a startup biotech company in San Diego, California. For today's agenda, we'll give a brief introduction about the company that we'll be doing our senior project with, identify our problem statement and definition, highlight the systematic approach that we will be using to complete our senior project, go into the objectives and deliverables that we will need to do, and the future steps that we'll take to complete our senior project. Our team partnered with a startup biotech company that currently resides in San Diego, California. They believe they have created a medical device that developed a new method to test for cancer cells in blood and will diagnose cancer in a more timely manner than any other comparable device in the medical industry. After developing a working prototype and receiving venture capital from investors, they are now ready to begin production of this device. This is where our team of industrial engineers can add value. After speaking with our client, they would like us to use our hands-on experience and industrial engineering technical knowledge to propose a manufacturing production floor layout of their device.
Our client has a working prototype for a new method of testing for cancer cells in blood. They want to put their device into production by the start of 2016. We need to determine how large the facility should be and come up with a working floor plan. In 2015, it's estimated that more than 1.5 million new cases of cancer will be diagnosed and more than 500,000 people will die in the US alone. In the case of cancer, preliminary screening and early detection are crucial to improving survival and decreasing mortality. Our client projects that their device will provide results up to 1,000 times faster than their competitors. Our client has given us their bill of materials, projected sales, a workspace they may lease, and the machines necessary to produce devices. Given this data, we are to determine layout alternatives and best practices for manufacturing operations.
The systematic approach our team will take for our senior project is discussing with our client the tasks and objectives for this project. From there, we did a literature review of the topics including facility design, lean methodologies and tools including just-in-time manufacturing, cell design, quality control associated with just-in-time manufacturing, FDA regulations and clean room regulations since we are producing a medical device, and lastly, ergonomic approaches for a manufacturing setting. Our next step is collecting data of assembly times, bill of materials, and anything else pertaining to our project. After collecting data, we will analyze the results and create a production floor layout for the company and recommend our possible solutions to the client.
The relevant coursework we'll be using for our project is IME 223, Principles of Lean Manufacturing, IME 314, Engineering Economics, IME 319, Ergonomics, IME 443, Facilities Design, and 410, Materials Management.
The deliverables established by our client are first and foremost to provide a recommended production floor layout for their product using lean tools and methodologies. Next, once the company's sales are forecasted, we will look into possible alternatives for an inventory management system, whether it's RFID, barcodes, or another possible option. Lastly, we will compile our results into a report that will include an economic analysis and justification. The future steps our team needs to take in order to be successful in this project is to first understand the bill of materials and how the product is manufactured so we can create an efficient floor layout. We then need to collect data and then from there create a complete manufacturing floor layout with possible alternatives. After that, we will simulate and do a cost analysis of each alternative and present our possible solutions to the client. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and our team is looking forward to this challenge and coming up with a viable solution for our client.